I'm talking about a number like this, $35,000. And yeah, you heard that right, per month. And the craziest part, you're going to be doing it with content that isn't even yours, and it's 100% above board.
I know. It sounds a little too good to be true, right? Like total clickbait. But trust me, it's not. Stick with me and I'll show you the exact playbook.
Okay, so first things first. Let's see the proof, right? Because talk is cheap. We're not talking theory here. These are real deal, actual earnings. So just look at this breakdown. It's kind of nuts. A repurposed video about a business idea can pull in $1,500. But what's really wild is that even a simple photo of a donut can net you $70. The potential is everywhere.
Okay, so the big question is, why is Facebook throwing this kind of money around? Well, it all boils down to a classic case of supply and demand.
Think about it. Facebook has billions of people scrolling their feeds every single day, just endlessly looking for stuff to watch. But here's the problem. There just aren't enough creators making quality content to keep all those eyeballs busy. So, Facebook's solution, they solve this massive content gap with cold, hard cash.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you actually do this without getting your page shut down. It all hinges on a really important legal idea called fair use.
So, in plain English, you can't just download someone else's video and re-upload it. That's a no-go. The key is you have to transform it. You have to add your own unique commentary, your own spin, your own insight to make it something new.
And this slide just nails the difference perfectly. On one side, you have the lame reaction video where someone's just, watching with their mouth open. That adds zero value and that'll get you banned. On the other side, you're adding your own brain power, your analysis. That is how you get paid.
Okay, so let's get tactical. Let's break down the actual step-by-step workflow that you can literally just copy and paste.
And really, it's just this simple 4-step process. We're going to find the viral gold, record our take, edit the overlay, and then post it the right way. That's the whole shebang.
So, step 1, you're basically becoming a content detective. You're going to go on Instagram, find videos in your niche that are already blowing up, videos that are proven winners, and you're just going to bookmark them.
Next up, it's showtime. Time to record. And you don't need some fancy studio, okay? Seriously, just your phone and a decent mic is all you need to get started.
Now this is absolutely critical. Your commentary can't just be rambling. You need a killer hook right at the beginning to grab them, and you've got to give them a reason to stick around all the way to the end.
And the editing part is way easier than you think. You're basically just layering your video on top of the original. An app like CapCut does all the heavy lifting for you, removes the background, adds captions. It's super simple.
And please remember this pro tip. It is so important. When you're posting, always upload the file natively to Facebook. If you just hit that little share to Facebook button from Instagram, the algorithm will absolutely crush your views.
Okay, now for the plot twist. Because all that money from Facebook, it's awesome, for sure, but it is not the real prize here. The traffic that this strategy generated on Facebook took a newsletter from just under 100,000 subscribers all the way to 250,000. That is insane growth.
And this right here is the ultimate secret. Social media platforms, you're just renting space on their land. Your email list, that's the asset you actually own. That's the real gold.
And the strategy for this is beautifully simple. Every single piece of content you post funnels people back to your newsletter sign-up page. Think about it. Facebook is literally paying you to build your own audience off of their platform.
So there you have it. You've seen the proof, you've got the playbook, and you know what the real prize is. We've covered the whole thing, top to bottom. The massive opportunity is there because Facebook is desperate for content. The legal method is adding your value. The workflow is simple. Find, record, edit, post. And the real asset, the ultimate goal, is building that email list. You have all the pieces.
The only question left is, what's stopping you? You have a perspective and insight that nobody else has. The playbook is right here. Now go get paid to share it. Thanks for watching.